Hey guys, welcome back. It's your girl Cabria Darche, and I am back with another cooking video. Today we are going to be cooking Rasta pasta. So starting off, I'm just showing you all of the seasonings that I will be using to make the Rasta pasta, and any other things that I need, like the cheese and the pasta I'm going to be using and so forth. So first off, I'm going to be dicing one jalapeno, and I'm going to take a green pepper and a red pepper, and I'm going to slice that up. Next, I'm going to boil some water and add some salt to it to get it ready for the pasta. Then you see me here adding some olive oil to a pan, and we're going to let that heat for a little bit and get that ready for the peppers and jalapeno. Now that the peppers and the jalapeno is in the pan, I'm going to season it with Old Bay and onion powder. You don't need too much seasoning. Of course, you can choose whatever seasoning you want, but with peppers, you don't need too much. They already are full of flavor. Alright, so after having the peppers and the jalapeno cook for a little bit, I'm going to add the shrimp to the pan. I seasoned the shrimp already with Old Bay, onion powder, garlic powder, and jerk seasoning. And you'll be able to see the jerk seasoning that I used right about now. And I'm going to add just like a little bit more to the pan just because I really want the peppers and the jalapeno to kind of soak up that jerk seasoning because it's really good. Now while this whole mixture is cooking, I'm going to add penne pasta to the pot of water that we had boiling in the beginning because it's now hot and ready, and then we're going to let that cook. Alright, and now we're going to add some half and half to the peppers, jalapeno, and shrimp. You can use heavy cream, half and half, it's really up to you. I just had half and half, so I used it. And then after adding that, you're going to stir it a little bit more, and if you want to, you can add some seasonings. You don't have to. And now you're going to add some cheese after you see the pan is getting fairly hot, it's steaming. I added mozzarella. You can use mozzarella, Parmesan, or a mixture of both. Either or, you can't go wrong. It's really good. And then you're just going to stir it a little bit more, so you'll know it's done when the sauce is getting like thick and creamy and rich in texture. Once that happens, you're going to want to take your noodles, of course once they're al dente, add them to the pan, and then just kind of stir it all around to get that mixture on the noodles. Alright, I made a salad to go with my meal because it just pairs perfectly. And this is the finished product. So this turned out so good. It was quick and easy to make, and it lasts a few days as well. So if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment, let me know if you make it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.